Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Scotch Brite Pads is probably one of the most underappreciated cleaning tools in your kitchen. These little green scrubbers are the unsung heroes of dish duty, tackling everything from stuck-on food to stubborn grease. But are they really the best? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Scotch Brite Pads, exploring their strengths, weaknesses, and whether they live up to the hype. Number 5. Scrub It Kitchen Sponges, Non-Scratch, Reusable 6-Pack. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn food stains? This product offers a smarter way to clean. It combines the best of both worlds with a scourer and microfiber cloth combo. This product eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools. It's designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient. This will save you time and effort in the kitchen. These sponges are made with high-quality materials. They are built to withstand tough, cleaning tasks. Unlike other sponges, they are designed for long-term use. Your health and safety are important. This product is made without harmful chemicals. You can use it with confidence knowing it's safe for you and your family. Keep your sponges fresh and clean with ease. Simply toss them in the washing machine. This feature helps you save money and extends the life of the product. What we like. This sponge combines a scourer and microfiber cloth, offering the best of both worlds. The durable construction ensures it lasts much longer than typical store-bought pads. If you are looking for a reusable and easy-to-clean solution, this is the perfect choice. You can simply toss it in the washing machine. What people say. They remove grease and residue from pans after searing or roasting with very little effort. The scrub side handles tough spots efficiently without scratching, even when used with firm pressure, while the soft side rinses clean easily and doesn't stain or retain odors like other brands. They clean dishes well, especially with the scrubber side. I love how they don't hold on to odors like regular sponges. Number 4. Scotch Brite Dobie Pads, All-Purpose Cleaning. Introducing the Scotch Brite Dobie Cleaning Pads. This is America's #1 selling scrub sponge brand. Each pack comes with 12 Dobie pads, ready to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs. This non-scratch sponge is designed to clean up messes. It easily removes grease, grime, and dirt, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. These pads are a kitchen cleaning essential. You can safely use them on your cookware without worrying about damaging protective coatings. The Dobie pads are safe for various surfaces. Use them on non-stick cookware, countertops, showers, and other surfaces throughout your home. Cleaning the scouring pad is simple. Just toss it in the dishwasher's top rack for a quick and easy clean. What we like. These pads are a staple in many kitchens, and for good reason. They are designed to clean grease and grime without damaging your cookware. If you like a hassle-free cleaning experience, you'll appreciate that it can be cleaned in the dishwasher. What people say. Scotch Brite Dobie pads are a game-changer for household cleaning, offering superior grime removal power, a non-scratch design safe for delicate surfaces, and impressive durability that outlasts traditional sponges. The best part of this is the time saved is the part that I like the least, the scrubbing and repetitive cleaning to remove fused food particles from pans and utensils. It does not scratch anything I've cleaned in the several months I've now been using these. They are perfect. Nothing compares to the original version. Number 3. Scotch Brite Zero Scratch Scour Pad. This is a pack of 3 scouring pads. They are designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. With these pads, you can achieve a sparkling clean. These gentle pads are tough on grease and grime, but safe for your surfaces. They will help you make your surfaces shine like new. You'll be amazed at the results. Safely scrub away any mess without leaving scratches. This product is perfect for everyday cleaning. It's a great addition to your cleaning supplies. These non-scratch scourers are ideal for cleaning non-stick pots and pans, countertops, dishes, and more. However, avoid using them on stainless steel appliances. It's versatile and can be used in many areas. These flexible scouring pads are made from long-lasting materials. They are designed to withstand tough cleaning jobs. They are built to last. What we like. This pad is gentle yet effective, perfect for everyday cleaning. It's designed to be safe on various surfaces, including non-stick cookware. If you have delicate surfaces to clean, this is a great option as it won't leave any scratches. What people say. These zero-scratch scouring pads hit the sweet spot between cleaning power and surface safety. The open fiber design has enough bite to tackle baked-on food and greasy pans, but it doesn't leave a mark on non-stick cookware, glass, or stainless steel. I've used one pad for a couple of weeks on skillets, countertops, and even a glass stovetop. It still keeps its shape and rinses clean without smelling. We can rely on Scotch Brite quality, and I really needed softer non-scratch to protect my investment in a set of French stainless steel pans, and works well to keep them shining. Number 2. 3M Scotch Brite 7447 Hand Pad. This is a superior alternative to many other products. It is designed for cleaning or finishing tasks, making your work easier. The pad utilizes a very fine-grade aluminum oxide abrasive. It is perfect for cleaning, finishing, and preparing surfaces. You can use it on wood, metal, plastics, ceramics, porcelain, glass, rubber, or composites. It is a versatile tool for various projects. The pad is reusable and resists tearing, splintering, and shredding. It will never rust, ensuring a long and useful life. Please note that this product is for industrial and occupational use only. It is not intended for consumer sale or use. What we like. This hand pad is a superior alternative to steel wool. It's designed for cleaning, finishing, and surface preparation. If you are looking for a versatile tool for various materials like wood, metal, and plastics, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works better than steel wool with a little Dawn dishwashing liquid and lasts longer to scrub dried on food from kitchen plates and utensils. It will clean countertops, make aluminum and stainless steel pots look like new again, and when old, will scrub linoleum floors like nobody's business. When cleaning and prepping aluminum, removal of corrosion, and even for paint removal, to scrubbing my hands to get deep black grease off because it will take off the top dead layer. Number 1. Scotch Brite 77222, our Extreme Scrub Scour Pad. This scour pad scrubs 4 times better than the competition throughout its lifespan. It's designed to tackle tough messes, making your cleaning tasks much easier and more efficient. This rust eraser tool provides long-lasting scouring performance. You can count on it to handle your toughest cleaning challenges without quickly wearing out. It's perfect for grills, grates, and removing burnt-on food, rust, and even concrete stains. This tool is a versatile solution for various cleaning needs. This pad eliminates baked-on messes without the need for pre-soaking. It saves you time and effort, delivering professional cleaning results with ease. Unlike steel wool, this cleaning tool won't rust or splinter. This makes it a safe and effective choice for cleaning grills and other surfaces. Get professional results on your dirtiest jobs. This product is designed to provide superior cleaning power, making it a reliable choice for any cleaning task. What we like. This pad offers superior scrubbing power, outperforming competitors. It's designed to tackle tough messes like burnt-on food and rust. If you have heavy-duty cleaning tasks, this will provide professional results without the need for pre-soaking. What people say. Scotch Brite scouring pads are great for cleaning dishes. They work well to remove stuck-on food. These pads are durable and last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.